and I've completed the installation on this vehicle. And I want to show you where we've placed the components. This vehicle is unique because it has an opposite opening door than most vans. So the left door opens first, and then the right door in the rear. We use the M2 lock components in this van. And once this panel is removed, there's an evident area to mount the lock case assembly. And our manual override cable has been mounted to the top of the panel itself. The M2 wiring, the power and ground wires, run through the door and up through this factory boot into our main power source. Once the lock activates and the bolt engages, we have that mating with a raised strike plate bracket that we've mounted on the opposing door. So the bolt is going to strike into this when these doors are closed and the locks are activated. On our side door, again, we've located the lock case about midway in the door itself, and the lock housing is mounted in a specific area on the lower portion of the sliding door. And when this door is closed and the bolt is active, it strikes directly into this hole on the C pillar. We've installed contact switches in both of the sliding doors. These are spring-loaded switches, and these carry the power and ground necessary for the lock internal to the door. So when this door is closed, these two contacts will mate to the plate that I've installed in the B pillar. And on the opposite side of this plate, we have our power and ground wiring that make the Thunderbolt itself work. We've located the manual override knob into a convenient spot where the factory window switches would go if this was a passenger van. And that allows access to that if you're inside the vehicle. You can refer to the pictures and the measurements that we have on our website that will indicate the location of the components for this vehicle. If you have any questions, give us a call.